Difference between private company and public company. Difference between private company and public companies. In starting, we are discussing that minimum number of members, transferability of shares. Let's discuss it in tabular form. What is difference between private company and public company? In private company, as we are discussing, minimum number of members 2 and maximum is 50, and in public company minimum numbers of 7 and maximum number no upper limit in public company. Then second point, transferability of shares is not allowed in public company, sorry, in private company. In private company transferability of shares is restricted, but in public company, yes, it is allowed. Transferability of shares is allowed, does not restrict. Transferability of shares is allowed in public company, does not restrict. Next, third point, prohibits an invitation to public to subscribe its shares or debentures. Means public is not allowed to buy shares or debentures of private company. But yes, we invite public for subscription of shares and debentures in public company. Public is allowed to buy shares or debentures, but in private company, public is prohibits, not allowed. In next point, minimum paid up capital is 1 lakh in private company, and in public company, minimum paid up capital is 5 lakh. This is subject to change. Then private company always write PVT limited with it, and public company write only LTD with it. How you recognize a company is private or public? By its name. Private company write PVT limited, private limited, and public company always write limited only, LTD don't. So this is the difference. Note it down how you identify different companies on basis of these different points.